sir, yes sir. First official cold start of the new year. Let's get it. Goodness, boy, I hear that sound in a minute. Oh, I forgot. That's not even A mode. God. Hold on. Where are we at? Where are we at? 2021! Let's get it! Yo, welcome back to the channel. You already know who it is. It's your boy Justice. You already know what it is. We out here doing it. So it's just us doing it, man. It's 2021, yes. And man, some of y'all really like this bike. It's some of the Yamaha fans have got a lot of DMs, a lot of comments. So we're producing a lot more content this year with the bike. I am in my last semester here at Clemson, so there's gonna be content from here and in Charleston when I get it back there. But I wanted to kind of start off today talking about, you know, I've always said this, that, you know, joy and depression cannot live in the same place at the same time. And to be thankful when you're feeling down, just think about everything you're going through, everything, all the good things you got going, whatever it may be, your car, your house, your schoolwork, whatever, you know, you're pushing through. Because just be thankful, be grateful, because it's a good thing. And then you won't be sad. You know, that's how I like to look at it. And that's how we're going into 2021. But I'm just grateful to be where I am now, and because I'm really damn sure better than where I was this time last year. And that's how you kind of gotta look, man, because time is going by. It's really not waiting for anybody. And it's just crazy, man. I'm trying to I gotta look for this bike that I'm trying to buy some pieces and another wind guard and, you know, get these tail lights off. But that's in time, man. That's in time. That's doing time. Ryan already out here somewhere. I don't know where he at. Finally got his bike started. Know he's gonna be eventually trying to get something else, but I don't even know how you ride no more, because he just got back up here. He ain't been up here since like May. But it's always a good time with us. And that's pretty much all I wanted to say for the bike content. Cause y'all just gotta keep living life, man. At the end of the day, it's just crazy out here, especially with everything going on. And I've been missing out because I went home for most of winter break, and you know, being home, it was just like ain't nothing to do. So I was like, my bike been up here for a whole month. There's not, damn, bro, I be forgetting it. It's not. It wasn't too much to do back home, basically. I had my car, but the car had problems. The rest is good now. But the feeling right now, it's been a minute. And I'm loving it. And any real always be like it's dangerous. It's not that dangerous. Well, it is dangerous. It's like with cars, you know. It depends on who driving, who riding. But I've been noticing like some of my homeboys, Smooth, everybody, you know, everybody I used to ride with back up here, been having a lot of beats, not beats, but a lot of rides, dog. And I ain't been able to do that. So I gotta get back on it. I need to change the oil on here. I need to do a lot, honestly. Drain this gas, it's been sitting in here. Yeah, man, we got a lot planned, hopefully. I'm trying to get a little video made for this bike. I don't have enough. Like, I can record this all day, but I don't have like real dope videos of my car or my bike. And that's like a goal of mine. I really want. But yeah, man. The last thing, you know, I'm gonna leave y'all with. Oh, campus is very, very nice. Dang, I just forgot, yo. Especially seeing this place like, I done been here almost 4.5 years, almost. Like, none of this was here, dog. Yo, when we started, we had the little cruise and Mustang on campus, messing with people. None of this was here. That's just how much money campuses be making. But I'm gonna leave y'all with this. This video's been long enough. Really can't complain how much is on your plate. Well, your whole goal was to eat. And you know, I really want to start having a lot more quotes and stuff like that, because it really says a lot, you know. But you really can't. So that's just saying, you know, with everything you want to do, when it really starts coming in, because he will make a way and it will fall into place. When everything starts falling through, you got to take it, and you got to handle your business. So yeah, man, we're gonna leave it at that, give y'all that little inspiration. But I'm happy though. I'm happy, and this gonna be a good year. I feel like, you know, Corona, a lot was going on last year, but this year gonna be, we getting revamped. So that's gonna be it for this video. Appreciate y'all supporting the channel. Continue to support, continue with the comments, everything. Let me know what y'all want to see, and y'all just keep doing y'all thing, because like I said, we are not regular with an A. We are not regular, you know what I'm saying? So I'll catch y'all in the next video.